Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft we're making llama puppets. The supplies we need for this craft are a paper bag, glue, scissors, a pink crayon, a black crayon, and brown construction paper and white construction paper. First we're going to take the brown construction paper and we're going to cut his head, and I already cut one out and I made him kind of furry. You want his head to look like there's fur on it, and then we're going to put some glue all over it so it can stick to the paper bag. And then we're going to take the paper bag, the top of the paper bag, and put the mane down, or the head. Kind of press on it to make sure. And then we're going to take the white construction paper and we're going to cut like an oval, and that will be his face. So we're going to glue that down. I'm kind of adding it pretty generous because we want to make sure it stays. And we'll put that in the middle and just press down. And then I'm going to take my black crayon and I'm going to give him eyes and a mouth. So we're just going to kind of make arcs for the eyes, and then we're going to just kind of draw a nose, and I'm going to color it in so it looks like he's got a shiny nose. And then I'm going to make his mouth just like that. And I added pink because I wanted to give him some rosy cheeks. And now all over the paper bag and the head, we're gonna kind of just draw like some, so it looks like he's got fur all over, and just do kind of like W's, so that way it looks like he's furry. You can do as much as you want or as little as you want. And then we're going to do the same on the head, just to make it seem like he's very furry. All right, and that is our llama puppet. We hope you enjoyed this craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.